Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can find any formula in Excel. And let's dive right into the video.
Alright, so today's going to be a little bit of a quicker video, but let's say that you have a bunch of data, like let's say that I have a bunch of numbers here, right? And I want to know what the total is using a formula. So let's say I think it's equals total, but I don't know what the total is, and so I just don't know what the formula is. And this can be used anytime you don't know what formula to use to get to a particular answer within Excel. Now the easiest way to do this is go up to this top bar and just simply go to formulas. I know, pretty simple, right? And so if you hit insert function here, it's going to give you what you most recently used, I think is kind of the default. And if you click on it, it's going to kind of give you an explanation and how that formula is organized, right? So for example, with the if formula, we know that it checks whether condition is met and returns one value if true and another if false. So the first part of the equation you're going to enter is the logical test, and then what you want it to display if it's true, and then what you want to display if it's false. So that's kind of how it's set up. And you can then go here and search all sorts of different formulas. There are hundreds of formulas within Excel that you can use, and you can sort by category. Like maybe I want a text function, I have 2 lines of data and I want to combine them both, or I want like a distinct count or something. And you can kind of explore and find all these sorts of different formulas within Excel. Now granted, you could obviously Google search how to do that, but you can also type a brief explanation here. So let's say we want all, and we want like a logical test. So I can go ahead and search that, and it's going to give me all of these that it thinks are related to my search function, right? And in this case, I was kind of looking for the if statement to do a true or false logical test, and so on. So you can search, you can just browse, and all of the formulas within Excel can be found here. And now granted, there are shortcuts here where you can look up, I want a logical or a text function, and then if you hover over it, it's going to tell you how that formula is organized and a brief description of what it does. So you probably already knew that was there, but if you didn't, you can kind of play around with it, and it really helps to be able to find any function that you would need because they're all here. Alright, hopefully you found this video useful. Please subscribe, smash the like button. I appreciate it, and have a great rest of your day.